Hey guys, welcome back to Glitter Trail. My name's Allie and I appreciate you stopping by. Before we get into this video, if you want to go ahead and click that subscribe button, it really helps me out. Let's get into it. Today we are doing a Boxycharm Boxyluxe unboxing. This one is a 3-month subscription. Well, the Boxyluxe, you get it in the big size every 3 months. And for the original Boxycharm, that one is a subscription. Every month they take out $21 and you get like 4 to 6 full-size items. They've included like deluxe size items into that. It's almost pretty much the price of probably a FabFitFun box. So it's like, what is that, 49 whatever. But here in Ohio, they charge tax, so it ended up being like $51 or $52, something like that. So this is the Boxyluxe. It's supposed to have like over a $300 value, I believe. And when you open it, hello, Charmer. It opens like this. And right on top, you have your little postcard. And in the Boxyluxe, it does seem to be a lot bigger. Theme for this month is "'Tis the Sea Sun," and then a flamingo with a little Christmas hat on it. I think that's cute. And then right here it shows all the products in my box, and it drops down to tell you the prices of everything. And on the back you have some coupons, so that's pretty cool. The first item I see is by PYT, and this is their mini straightener. And it's like travel size, and I got the pink one. Very, very cute. I could probably use it with mine. I have kind of long hair, but it's pretty thin, like thin, fine hair. And they say that this mini straightener is $75. So the next item I see is by Elemis. It's a Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's a day cream. The retail price for this cream is $89. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Comes in a cute package. I think I got too much, but it's okay. And it comes off like this, and it's just like a cream. It's very nice to the touch, and it smells great. It smells amazing. And the next item I see is by Spongel, and this is a body wash buffer. It smells delicious. And when you open it, and it comes like this, and it just says that you wet it and you squish it, soap comes out. The retail value for the Spongel is $20. The next item I see is by Tarte. This is the Tartist lip paint, and the color is Insta Famous. Insta Famous right there. And the retail value for lip paint is $20. I think it's pretty. The next item I see is Grande Mascara, and this is by Grande Cosmetics. I have so many mascaras open right now, and I really don't want them to go bad, so I have I'm not going to open this one. The retail value for this Grande mascara is $25. So the next item I see is by Crimes of Beauty, and this is a wristlet and portable charger. The retail value for this is $22. Inside is the portable charger for your cell phone. I like this, and it comes with the cord to plug into your USB port to charge this, and then you just use your cord that comes with your charger for this. This is really cute, glam AF. The next item I see is by Wander Beauty. This is the Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlight Palette. And the retail value for this blush and highlight palette is $26. It has a mirror, which is cool. This color is Tuscan Sunrise, Havana Nights, and this is City Lights, and I believe this is supposed to be a highlight, but I'm definitely not going to be able to use this one as a highlight. I will be able to use this one as a blush, and that is supposed to be the highlight. I can't use that as a highlight, but it would make a very pretty eyeshadow. Now this one is my blush color. I did go in a little bit heavy right here, but that is actually so beautiful. This one I feel like could be like a blush topper. Let me build it up a little bit. But it's like got some shimmeries in it, and I could also use that as a eyeshadow. And I am using one of my Luxie brushes, and this one has seen better days. Ooh, that is pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and use this color, City Lights. I know it is too dark for my highlight, but I just wanna see how it performs. It is a very pretty highlight. Next item I see is some Luxie brushes. Oh my gosh, I love Luxie brushes. Like, complete face set of Luxie brushes. $65. That's awesome. Last and final thing that we got is the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. And this palette is $45. Dun da da da. Beautiful shades. What? Indulge in 20 highly pigmented eyeshadow shades ranging in finish from creamy matte to bold metallic and a silky satin. The vegan, cruelty-free formula is created with finely milled pigments, making for smooth application and easy blending. And just to make the video a little bit shorter, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eye makeup off camera. All right guys, so I'm done using this palette. This is what I came up with. I really like this palette. It's a lot of warm tones. And I tried to use as many colors as I could. This one in my inner corner in my brow bone. Use this as one of my transition colors, probably the first one. And as my second transition color, this one also in my crease to darken it up a little bit. Cranberry Splash right here. It's a really pretty metallic. I think next time I will probably put an eyeshadow down first and then putting this metallic-y color over top of it. It's very, very shiny and pretty. I went in with How You Doin'. Again, this is a metallic, very pretty color. It's Wine and Dine also. Thanks guys, so thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it as much as I did, go ahead and hit that like button, and while you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. Bye guys.